and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe icon and the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. Today we are making scones, or scones depending on where you're from. All you'll need is flour, butter and milk. Time to preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Okay, we're going to start by sifting 2 cups of self-raising flour into a mixing bowl. If you decide you want salt in the mixture, only add a pinch. I'll add some now just to show you how much. It's about half a teaspoon. Next we're going to melt the butter. So we've got 30 grams there, which is about 2 tablespoons, and you want it melted and poured over the flour. Grab a blunt knife or a butter knife, and we're going to use this to mix. You can slowly start pouring the milk in while folding it through with a knife. I'll just mix this last bit of milk in, and that will leave us with a very sticky dough. So I'll just see if I can zoom in. As you can see, it's a bit of a wet mess there. Okay, so you want to have a clean, floured surface to start kneading on, and just pour your sticky mess out on top of it. So we're going to add a little bit of flour on top, and we don't want to overwork it. We just want to bring it together to a nice soft dough ready to press out. So just bring it together, and we want it to be about 1 inch thick. It will rise in the oven. So I'll see if I can show you how thick it is. And I'll just go and grab a tray with some baking paper on it. There we are, so we are ready to cut our shapes out and put it directly on the tray. So if you don't have a round cookie cutter that's about the size that you want for your scones, then you can roll out little balls of dough and just flatten them to the shape and thickness that you want. So we'll get as many as we can out of this lot, and then we'll bring the dough back together again and press out. And you repeat that until there's no dough left or not enough for the last scone. So let's speed this up. There we go. So we've managed to get 9 out of this batch. So next we're going to put them in the oven at 220 degrees for 10 minutes. If you do decide you want an egg wash on top, now's the time to do it before you pop them in the oven. Alright, let's get them out of the oven, and they are looking great. So even though I didn't do an egg wash, they're still golden on top and nice and soft inside. Thank you for watching. I hope you have fun with this recipe. See you again next time.